Why must the students vote you and your party? Again, why must the students vote you and your party? Mr. Joel De Guzman, I'm giving you 7 minutes and the timer starts now.
Sebastinians, first and foremost, I would just like to mention the 3 core values of being in Siklab Sebastino. Muneri, service, honor, and valor. When you serve, you should serve with honor. And when you are honorful, you have valor. You are courageous. Mga Sebastino, when Siklab first ran for the SSG office, we were first-timers. No experience, if I would be blunt. But, narinig ng mga Sebastino ang aming sigaw para sa pagbabago. A change in a stagnant governance. Change in a government which is no longer progressive. And when Siklab went to the office, we give you innovative projects. That Sebastinian achieves more with Siklab Sebastino.
Here, here!
Autobus, which was the first time a car show would be produced by the college students. Hand dryers in the CR. Electric fan in the college arcade, which was given by the student government now.
Yes!
And next, and in the following year, we plan to give you more projects. For example, we also have the Youth Empowerment Project. Our party believes in the generation of today. The youth today should serve as the leaders of tomorrow. Mga kapwa mo Sebastino, Youth Empowerment Project would help empower the students of San Sebastian.
Yes.
Dahil sa Siklab po, ang aming partido ay partido ng bawat Sebastino.
Yes!
Kaya aalagaan namin ang bawat Sebastino, ano mang kulay yan. Hindi po kami partisano. And Sebastinians, why should you vote our party? Our party has dedicated service for 2 years. With the Filipino Liberal Youth, the Sebastinians became stakeholders in propagating liberal democracy in our nation. The Sebastinians helped Philippines. Hindi na lang po tayo gumagawa ng kabutihan para sa ating paaralan. Gumagawa na po tayo ng kabutihan para sa ating mga kababayan. Mga kapwa ko Sebastino, Siklab thinks outside the box. Hindi po kami nandito para lamang magsilbi. Andito po kami para gumawa ng bagong liderato. Andito po kami para magpakita ng bagong mga proyekto.
Here, here!
Yan lang yan sa nagawa ng Siklab in its 2 years term. I never really thought that I myself would run as the standard bearer of this party. Pero, nakita ko na kaya kong baguhin ang sarili ko. Nakita ko kaya kong maging mas matatag, maging mas matapang. Dahil nakayanan ko yung dahil mahal ko ang Sebastino.
Yeah!
Ang kapwa ko it's not cheese